In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify landing pages, Legacy Editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new landing page from a template so you can move fast and stay consistent with your brand. First, open your Shopify admin and head to your store's dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage multiple shops. If you use a page builder app with a legacy-style editor, open that app from your dashboard so you land on its main screen. This is where you'll manage your pages and templates. Next, look for the section labeled Pages. You'll usually find it in the app's sidebar or top navigation. Clicking Pages brings you to a list of existing pages, plus options to start something new. If you're just getting started or you want to keep design time minimal, the fastest path is to create a page using a template. Click Create from Template. Templates are pre-built layouts designed to cover common marketing goals. Think launches, promotions, or lead capture, so you can focus on copy and images rather than structure. Using a template also helps keep your branding and spacing consistent across pages, which is especially useful if multiple people work on your store. When you're prompted to choose a template category, select Regular. The Regular category is ideal for general-purpose landing pages. It typically includes flexible, well-balanced layouts with sections like hero banners, benefit blocks, testimonials, and calls to action. If you're not sure which category to use, Regular is a safe choice because it's easy to adapt for most campaigns. Now, type in your template. Use the search bar to enter a keyword or the exact template name if you already have one in mind. As you browse, take a moment to preview the structure. Look for essentials like a clear headline area, space for a compelling image or video, concise benefit sections, and a strong call to action button. Consider how the layout will read on mobile devices as well. Most traffic is mobile, so a clean vertical flow is important. If you run paid ads, pick a layout that brings the main message and button into view quickly. Once you've found the template that matches your goals, click Select. This applies the layout to your new page and opens it in the editor so you can start customizing content, images, and colors to fit your brand. From here, you're set to tailor the copy, adjust sections, and get everything ready for your campaign. That's it. Dashboard, pages, create from template, regular, type in your template, and select. Simple, fast, and consistent.